Where's that rock in, I wonder?
Well, there's a rock there and a rock there, and
That's
I can
awesome.
go basically to about here, but I just gotta watch my footing.
It's probably nice and deep.
Where would you recommend the camping, Reinhardt?
3,
Ready.
2, 1, start.
Go!
Oh God.
Show these people how it's done.
Let's go, Reinhardt.
Secure! No, keep your feet on the rope at all time. I'm trying to walk with it.
Oh my God. That didn't feel good. Oh dang, he lied. You didn't touch, did you?
Good pasture, keep your feet on the rope.
Good pasture. Feet on the rope. Did you not hear us?
Yeah, if you don't keep your feet on the dang rope.
Smart one. We mean over.
No, you gotta have them on. 3 points of contact, not off the rope, on the rope.
You gotta think when we say on the rope multiple times. Fix yourself.
Try to keep his head out from under. Think of them.
Oh,
God.
sorry. Keep your head up, Norris.
Lower him, lower him, lower him.
Your feet are on the rope.
You good.
Come on, Norris, you got this.
Come on.
Alright, come on, Phillips, fast. Just paddle, paddle, paddle. There you go.
Faster pace. Come on, Phillips. Come on, Phillips, come on. Come on.
Come on.
Pull him.
Come on, Phil. Fast, fast.
Give us your hand. Pull him. Get him up.
Ah!
Cannon, untie.
Hey, hold up, I can't untie this till he
I know.
gets that untied and just clipped in.
Guys are going to be pulling him across too.
He's
Go.
in.
Alright.
Remember, no knots in this rope. Get it untied. What about the water? Pull him. Pull him. Everyone grab a rope. Pull. Pull me. Pull me. Come on, help me. Come on, help me. Get that rope out the water. Go. Keep your head.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't say time.